In this video, we will use the Default Offsets tab to set the default offsets for the slab. These default offsets will be used whenever a specific value is not given for the edge. Double-click the slab to open its properties. Go to the Default Offsets tab. Here you can enter the default offsets for the side offsets. These offsets are parallel to the bearing direction. You can also control the default offsets for the end offsets, which are all the other offsets that are not side offsets. Now let's change the default offset for the break line. Note that the default value is 10. If the break line value is 0, the objects are not split. Finally, you can control the cutout offsets by changing the A and B values. You can define separate offsets for every layer.